Okay, because I'm not here today, I just want to go over what I would be doing in class, which is going over just a couple of these Riddle Worksheet problems with you, just to get you started and to get you going. And if you already know what you're doing, you can skip this video, but if anyone's stuck, I'm just going to do a couple with you, which is what I would do if I was in class today. So on this one, you're just finding the slope. We've done this so much this week. So pick 2 points, or it looks like it gave it to you. So you're going to rise 1, 2, 3, run 1, 2. If you rise 3 and run 2, then the slope is 3 over 2. And I would at least come over here. I don't care about the riddle, but I would at least come over here and make sure you find it and it's there. Okay, let's do this next one. It's negative. It's going downhill. So it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3. So if it's negative 6 over 3, that does simplify. That divides evenly. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. And you can always check it by saying, does it go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1? Yes, it does. So negative 2 is the same as negative 2 over 1. So negative 2 is our answer here, which is right there. Okay, you're going to do the other 4 of these by yourself. Let's skip down to the bottom. Again, we've done this a million times. Y2 minus Y1 is 3 minus 1. I'm sorry I didn't give you much space. I'm writing really tiny. 8 minus 5 is x2 minus x1, so 8 minus 5. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we've got a 2/3 slope that doesn't simplify. So 2/3 is right here. And again, if you want to do the riddle, great. I don't care if you do the riddle. All right, I'll do one more of these with you. Let me do these negatives because sometimes that's confusing. Negative 4 minus 4, negative 4 minus 4, over negative 6 minus negative 9. Negative 6 minus negative 9. All right, put it in your calculator. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. Negative 6, that would be plus 9. Negative 6 minus negative 9 is plus 9. Would end up being 3. And that does not simplify, negative 8/3, so it's just negative 8/3, which is right here. Okay, let's flip it over to the back and make sure you could do this. So it looks like we're going to have 3 lines on each of these graphs. So the first line is B, which we're going to put a dot at 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, which is over 1 up 2. So then you're going to just do your best to draw a line through those. Ew, I'm not using a straight edge, so it's not very good, but that's okay. And then you're just going to count slope. Rise over run. So rise 1, 2, run 1, 2, 3, 2 over 3. So the slope of this one is 2/3, which is right here. I think that was B. So if you really want to do the riddle, it's easier this time because that was B. So 2/3 is B. Or I don't care if you just cross it off. Whatever. I don't care about the riddle. I'll go ahead and do all 3 on this one graph. So 2, 0 is to the right 2, up 0. Negative 4, 4 is to the left 4, and then up 4. So this one's going to be a really ugly, not straight line, but I'm going to deal with it because that's okay. All right, I know this is a negative line because it's going downhill. So let's count how many down. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is negative 4 over 6, which those both simplify. They both divide evenly by 2. So that would be negative 2 over 3, and that's E. So negative 2 over 3 is E, or you can just cross it off. I don't care. All right, last one I'll do with you. 1, negative 3 is a dot to the right 1, down 3. Excuse me. Negative 3, negative 4 is to the left 3, down 4. And that is going to be rising, so it's a positive slope. We're going up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 over 4 is 1 over 4, which is 1/4, which is the letter O. So 1/4 right here is the letter O. Okay, so then you're just going to do that same thing. 3 lines on this graph, 3 lines on this graph, 3 lines on this graph. So take pictures of both, scan, sorry if you can, pictures of both this riddle page and the other one to turn into Canvas for today.